This video will look at the rotate command in the AutoCAD program. The rotate command can be found on the Modify panel. To rotate an object, choose the rotate command and then select the object that you wish to rotate. In this case, I'm only going to select the square because selecting the circle wouldn't change the drawing at all. After I've selected the square, I can press Enter to tell it that I'm done selecting objects to rotate. Next, it asks me for a base point. In this case, the base point is the center point of the rotation. I'm going to choose the center of that circle as the base point of my rotation. And now you can see that as I move my mouse, the square will rotate. I can either eyeball it and find out where I want it to go, or I can type in a number. In this case, if I type in 45, it will rotate that rectangle 45 degrees. To repeat, if I rotate, this time I'm going to choose the circle and the square to rotate because I'm going to choose a different base point as my base point of rotation. So here I could say, let's rotate it, how about 315 degrees, so I get back to something that looked like what it was before, albeit in a new location.